I'm actually not going to put makeup on today because I just did and I don't want to anymore. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LookFantastic unboxing for you. I actually filmed 2 videos already. One is the how well does blank perform, and the other one is the Baby Yoda swatches. How well does perform was amazing, you know, just a spoiler. This I'm actually disappointed in. The colors are beautiful, but the way they swatch, yeah, I just removed my makeup and then the post woman, she rang the bell and here's my LookFantastic box. So it is a bit later than usual. I apologize, but yeah, let's just get started and open it up. I mean, they were nice enough. They sent it off, I think, like a week later than usual. Usually I actually get an email on the 1st of each month saying, your box has been shipped. I don't know, like, your box is on the way. I don't know, something like that. It was later than usual. I mean, I get it. I mean, have you seen England and the COVID cases and the rises? It's crazy over there. They have a second lockdown, I think, but not all of England, just a few cities. It's weird. So that didn't work. Great, cool. They're always so snug in there. It's hard to get them out. It looks bright in the camera. It's like a dark, like it's like a berry color, Bordeaux, basically, with orange. So let's open it up. And it says, "Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire." The leaflet here. Ooh. Sneak peek. I should stop looking at that. Oh my god. Okay. The inside is orange. And I can still not open this up without ripping the tissue paper. It's been like, what, 3 years? How is this packed? Everything, all the parts are here, but there's no, like, filling material or whatever you call that. And everything is, oh my god. Something actually smells good. What is this? I love this. As a nail polish. Oh my god, look at that color. Oh my god. I think we'll start off with the nail polish because that one looks amazing. This is Portland Square by Nails Inc. Be your incredible self. Oh, look at that shade. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, that's a perfect orange. If only this would have arrived in the September box, so I could have used it in October for, you know, Halloween. Oh, it's apparently cruelty-free and vegan. Oh my god, I love it. I love this. This is great. Fueled by charcoal, this Nails Inc. polish helps promote the health of your nails and protects against environmental aggressors. This gorgeous red shade is perfect ahead of the festive season and brings an enviable shine to the nails. Like, am I crazy? This is not red. Is this red? This is orange. Oh god, I'm slightly colorblind. I don't really see things. Let's get a piece of paper here from... Oh no, this makes me sad. My boyfriend and I, we were supposed to go to Rome in March, and I bought tickets for AS Rome, which is my favorite Italian team. And we didn't go, obviously. This makes me really sad. Oh no, shit. Nah, this is orange. This, come on. On white paper, you can see it even more. This is orange. If my camera, when I edit this and it shows up as red, I'm going to scream, this is orange. But it's nice. It's a very beautiful shade. Oh, it's worth nothing because there's no price. I have no idea how much any of these products are worth because they don't put the prices there anymore. Ooh, I love Now Bay. Okay, this is Now Bay Natural and Organic Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream with aloe vera, green tea, ginkgo biloba, raspberry jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. Jesus Christ, that has to be good. Let me just smell this. Oh, it's also cruelty-free and vegan. I love it. Oh my god, that smells good! Oh, that smells actually really good. Apply to thoroughly cleanse skin with gentle massaging until fully absorbed. So I think it's a face cream? It smells good, and Now Bay is just amazing. Like, all the products are so good, and they all smell good, and they're cruelty-free and vegan. I love them. So, this is worth nothing as well, because there's no price. This lightweight face cream, there you go, provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy. Formulated with green tea, aloe vera, and raspberry to regulate your skin moisture levels and protect it from free radicals. Ideal for all skin types. So excited for that. Oh, I'm so excited. This is a makeup product. I want to see what this is. This is by Lord & Berry. Eye pencil in doré. So gold. Oh, nice. Ooh. Oh god, imagine this, but like a red, golden, green look on your waterline for Christmas. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's stunning. It's so smooth as well. I mean, on my hand. I don't know how it will be on my waterline or on my eyes. but on my hand it looks nice. It's beautiful. Jeez. So either get bronze or you get gold, and I got the golden one. This Lord & Berry eye pencil is comfortable on the eye, intense in pigment, and incredibly long-lasting. In a gorgeous gold/bronze shade to make your eyes pop, the fine point allows for precise application, whilst its creamy formula can be easily blended. Oh my god, yes, it can be blended, see? You can even, I mean, not that I would suggest it, but you can wear it as an eyeshadow. Maybe. Oh, this is nice. This is nice as well. Ooh. So far, I love it. This looks promising. What is this? Polar Ice Pure Micellar Water. Ooh. With Arctic cotton. If this smells good. Doesn't smell like anything. It smells like, you know, you have those, what are those things? I don't know what they're called, but you can make bubbles out of it. You know, you put them in like soap water and then you can blow bubbles. What are those things called? You probably know what I mean. It smells a bit like this. It smells like soap water. And I just realized it says without, like, fragrance free, so obviously it doesn't smell, but it smells like plastic. Yeah, but hey, that's good. You know, if you have sensitive skin, you don't want any perfume near yourself, basically. This might be actually nice. We'll see. I will try it out anyways. And I hope I don't get an allergic reaction. That's with most of those products. I will try them out anyways, no matter what it is. If it is a serum, a face cream, a body lotion, shampoo, whatever, I try it. And I hope that I don't get an allergic reaction. But, you know, I'm open to try things out. Harnessing the powers of Arctic cotton, this cleanser removes even the most stubborn makeup to bring moisture and hydration to the skin without over drying or bringing uncomfortable tightness to the skin. Okay, I will actually try that out. It says something with 98% natural origin. It's hard to read because it's like light pink on a see-through bottle. I will definitely try that one out. I only have 2 more products left. So, small or big? Big. Ooh, Perfect Lax Skin Miracle. What? A tinted multivitamin serum to perfect and help cover skin imperfections. Can be used all over the body. You know I'm gonna try that out here. Oh my goodness. Are you sure I want to use this? Well, I don't see things. So does it give me a nice glow? Ooh. Ooh. It smells good. Does it give me a nice glow though? I don't see it. I don't have my glasses on. But does it? I think so, a little, huh? Bit of a tint, bit of a shine. I mean, I'm not gonna wear anything that shows my skin because it's winter. Come spring and summer, I would use this, 100%. Oh, so you either get the Perfect Lax Skin Miracle, which I got, or you get the In Transit Camera Close-Up, which is a primer. Like a mask, moisturizer, and primer all in one. Feel pampered from head to toe with these This Works products. The Perfect Lax Skin Miracle is a lightly tinted serum enriched with vitamin C and E to deliver a sun-kissed glow to the body. I can also use that on my face. Do you think I can use that on my face? Should I try that out? I will try that out. Because obviously I'm goddamn pale in winter, so it might be something. Philip Kingsley, Pure Color, Fizz Fighting Gloss. I think I have to dye my hair again just to see how this works. You basically just put it, I have no idea, it doesn't have any explanation. So either get this one or you get 2 of the other. You get either the Pure Color or you get the bodybuilding shampoo or the bodybuilding conditioner. And these Philip Kingsley products will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny and silky. The Pure Color Gloss is a conditioning heat protectant that improves your color vibrancy, whilst the bodybuilding duo is infused with a cocktail of beneficial ingredients to provide long-lasting body and bounce. This, you should focus on the ends. Oh, that smells good too. That smells amazing. It actually comes in handy because I just finished up my other styling product heat protecting thing. Overall, it's a nice box. Yeah, we're already done, okay? It's a nice box. I'm very, very excited for all of this. Like, literally, there's not a single product that I'm against, if that makes sense. Like, I'm excited to try all of these out. Honestly, don't have anything to complain here. This I will probably keep for spring and summer. But the rest I will try out as soon as I can, basically. So, the leaflet here. We got the products that are inside the box. Then we have a Philip Kingsley The Brand Spotlight. Star Skin. An interview with Nicole Arnoldson. God, I butchered that name, I'm so sorry. But yeah, Star Skin. Okay, then we have charcoal, the Beauty Dictionary, and then products that actually have charcoal in, what it does, where it came from, etc. Meat, oh god, Triina? I have no idea how you say that. It looks like a nice, fun brand. Look at that, colorful. I love this. Mood board was autumn colors, candlelight, and that's it. A beauty box unbox. So yeah, it's basically a lounge that they have. It's exclusively for our loyal beauty box subscribers. Black Friday. Ooh, they have a sale apparently. Wait, what? As a big thank you for being such a loyal beauty box subscriber, you have an exclusive subscriber surprise coming your way. Okay, I'm intrigued. You got me. And then the sample sneak peek is the Avon. Okay, Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final. Oh, didn't we have that one? Wasn't that the one where it took me forever to use? But it's an eye cream. Here are the products once more. Let me know what you would try. I'm intrigued by all of them. So I have a coupon code in the info box if you want to get a box. I think you get like £5 off your first order or something like that. And then I get £5 store credit that I can spend on LookFantastic. You don't have to use that code. You don't even have to get a box if you don't want to. I'm just putting out there that I have a code. I hope you enjoyed my video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. And see you next time. Bye. Do you hear that?